This is a video presentation of the 2001 Haas VF2. Go ahead and run it through its paces. Start by handle jogging, X-axis. Do a tool change. Next we'll go ahead and fire up the spindle. Started off at 500, we went ahead and warmed it up. Good 2,000 RPMs. Go to 4. Just switch gears. Then we'll go ahead and back it down. This does have the floppy on it. We do have the manual. The side shot. Does have the RS-232 port. It's also pre-wired. It's got the 4th axis drive in it. Get the serial number off of here. 24116. Manufactured 2 of 01. And this is a 10,000 RPM. We didn't ramp it up, but if you need it ramped up in a video, we can. This is a 1 megabyte of memory. It's also got the high-speed machining, programmable coolant quick code. It's also a Cat 40 machine out of BT. It's got the high voltage, or no, I'm sorry, it's got the Y delta. It's got the coordination and scaling and rigid tap. And there's your 4th axis card and the vector drive. We do have the extra front container there that goes on the front of the machine, coolant tank. We do have the chip chute foot pads. It's all accounted for. And we'll come over here. Also, it does have the the remote jog handle. And we'll go to here to position. We went ahead and pulled the hours. It's got motion time 11,567, spindle time 11,463. That is the current time. And this concludes the video presentation of the 2001 Haas VF2. And last, there is, I failed to mention, there is a mist collector that comes with the machine as well. It's sitting on top right there.